This is a step-by-step guide on how to pitch your next song to Spotify for artists for playlist pitching. Let's dive in. So whenever you have a song pre-scheduled for release with your distributor like DistroKid or TuneCore, it's going to show up on Spotify for artists right here. You can see I have a single that's going to be coming out in the next 3 days on a lo-fi side project I have called Wabi Sabi. And what I want to do is pitch this song to some playlisting because you never know which songs are going to get picked. The first thing I want to do is click on this button called Pitch Your New Music. This is going to show me 2 different options I have for the songs I want to pitch. I actually have 2 different songs that are coming out. This one is releasing on the 7th and this one is releasing on the 14th. You can see that for both of these, I have the option to pitch, but I can only pitch one song at a time. For this, we're actually going to be pitching the song that's coming out later. So we're going to do Whipped Cream Latte as the pitch because it does have a little bit more time. We want to make sure that we're giving the editors the appropriate amount of time to review it. You can see at this tab, there's only one song selected. There'll be multiple available if you were releasing an EP. This is basically just choosing, hey, which album or which project you want to pick, and then picking a single from there to be the main pitch track. Next, we're going to do is press next. And next, we're going to be putting in where we're from. Next, we're going to do the genre. So this is going to be a lo-fi track. So we're going to type in lo-fi beats. We're going to type in lo-fi again just to see if there's anything that's a little bit closer. Lo-fi indie. Why not? And then we'll just put in lo-fi as well. It's important that you try to link S3 that are mainly pertaining to your release. If you are an EDM artist, but you make feature bass or Flutter House, you want to be making sure you're including those subgenres as well, just to give the editors a higher chance of picking your track. Next, we want to do the 2 song styles. This is going to be an acoustic kind of beatsy track. Nothing too crazy going on here. Next, we're going to do the 2 musical cultures. For this one, it's pretty generic, so there's no specific culture that we're including, so we're going to skip these for now. But if you were to include, say for example, different instrumentation, or if you were from that heritage, I do recommend including these music cultures here to give yourself a higher chance. Next thing we're going to put is the moods. We're going to put chill and meditative. Instruments, you can go crazy with this one. I believe this track has an acoustic guitar as well as some samples. Let's see if there's a keyboard or piano somewhere. We can select piano right there and we're good to go. Is this a cover? We're going to put no because it's an original track. Is it a remix? Nope, it's an original. How it's recorded in a studio setting is an instrumental. We're going to put yes for this. Next, we're going to put next. And this next step is the most important. This is the description section where you can include any details about your release. For this section, I recommend having a 3-pronged pitch. The first one being some background about the track. The second one being some background about you as an artist and what do you have planned for the rest of this release as well as for the year. And the third thing is how do you plan to market this release? Are you doing a TikTok series? Are you planning to do some paid ads with it? What are you planning to do with this song that Spotify can look into to see, hey, are they generating buzz outside of our platform? Are they bringing people to our platform? What are they doing for their artist career? They want to be knowledgeable of that because for them, they're trying to make sure that they're picking and choosing artists for their playlists that are actually pushing their fans to the platform, doing things within their genre that are cool, and exploring avenues on how to advertise a single by themselves. In addition to the 3 prongs, you can also include any accolades you might have as an artist. This could be, hey, I played a sold out show for the Roxy in LA, which sold 1,000 tickets. You can put your fully independent. You can put basically anything that would make you be more appealing as an artist is always important to put here. And that's basically it. Once you've inputted all that information, once you do press the pitch button, you are good to go and the song is going to be sent to the editors and they will decide if they actually want to use it or not or place it in one of their playlists. I do recommend for anyone that is putting out music consistently, why not send the pitch out? You never know which of your songs might get picked. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions on Spotify for artists pitching or if you've had success yourself on getting on editorial playlists, definitely write a comment below. People are curious on your experience and they want to know how you did it.